A bit of a murky solution, but if we spray this piece of paper...
Wow!
Okay, so you can see that spray transparency. Like taking two colourless solutions, as you can see here, pour one into the other, and you can make when you pour one solution into another, nothing happens, and then after a little while you get a colour change, and then if you're really lucky, doesn't look like I'm going to be okay, after a little while you get another colour change. That's an example of what's called chemical kinesis. Here is an alkaline solution with some universal indicator in it. A universal indicator in alkaline solution is this beautiful purple colour. So if I put some dry ice into this, what you'll find is, first of all, it creates a BBC science programme. Every time the BBC make a programme about science, they always have these in the background. But what's going to happen is the acidic gas is going to dissolve in the water, and as it does, it's going to change the pH. So hopefully, you can see the colours beginning to change as the solution becomes less and less alkaline and more acidic. Okay, so how many of you have ever done a titration at school in chemistry? None of you yet. Okay, well, you will do at some point, and it'll probably bore you silly. But when you do, this is a slightly more interesting version of a titration. Okay, so there's a good glug of potassium iodide, so I'll drop that in.
Wow. Oh my God,
Basically, just let your finger go, drop them all in the coat. Okay? So now you can probably see why not a good idea to do that in your kitchen at home. The balloons were really brilliant. And I cannot, that's what I was looking for. And then when you grow older a little bit, you realise that, okay, balloons aren't maybe that brilliant after all. And about the best thing you can do with a balloon is to pop it. You might want to put your fingers in your ears. Okay.
Is that it?
So quick, if it works.
Wow.
Here's a glass of water, and I'm just going to have a sip of it to prove it. Okay, that's just normal tap water. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour this water into the beaker. Okay, watch carefully. Okay? Now that's not really what you would expect to happen when you pour water on something. Can you see a colour in the flame apart from the orange? A sort of bluey lilac, yeah? Burning. Watch the difference with the gun cotton. This is going to be over very quickly. Okay?
Wow.
Oh, what the amount of that? Sounds like glass.
Okay, hopefully, do you all see the iron pouring out the bottom? Yeah? 3,000 degrees of heat in the space of a few seconds. That's how powerful chemistry can actually be. It's really rather warm down here. Try and move this out of the way. So hopefully, can you all see the iron glowing in the bottom? Again, piece of rubber tubing, totally flexible, bendy. We put that into the liquid nitrogen fountain. You can actually get this on your hand, provided you don't have it on your hand for very long, because your hand is so warm that it just makes the liquid nitrogen boil. Right, so okay, what I'm going to show you now, and this is the finale to the show, so hopefully you've enjoyed it, is how much 200 calories actually is. And this is going to be the best advert for why you shouldn't eat too many crisps. Okay, so you ready?
It's going to burn straight up, isn't it?
200 calories. Okay? Right, thank you for your attention.